I go play a match like friend. I start babes and mommy like I tell them for blood clot papi show. Me a mask up, me a big woman a picnic. You know me not lose none of my man them for blood clot you. Me not lose none of my man them. So if a 5 man me the blood clot have me not lose none. What them want they near or far me not lose none. So if you know say in a blood clot, you cut it out. Text me know say look here now. What we are doing is just in the net, me understand so I just in the net so I know how to adjust the working point so the whole heap of babes and this unnecessary. But me now go sit down here and pretend while the whole of my fucking heart I eat up and I eat up. If I don't want to bash me later, go give 2 fuck. This is the net me used to know. Me now go sit down and have my heart a bust out of my blood clot chest. I'm about to jump. And I tell you what up on my mind. Would not live them the life there. I never lived to not even my baby follow me and before me had blood clot 20. Much less you with that 3 weeks something. I don't care what the fuck you can buy. Me can't buy anything in our world. The gesture is nice, I can agree. I'm not gonna say you have a nice personality. Of course you does. But the mind game when I play, leave me out of it. Yeah. I try. For man me there, I try. Me try hold it long enough. I can't hold it no blood clot more. If me I hold it, that means I lie to myself. Why would I want to sit here and lie to my fucking self? Eh? Me not trouble for tell lie. Not even when me not lie, me not tell. But not even when me in a trouble, me not tell lie. I'm going to courthouse and I lick you. I'm going to tell you you're on why I lick you. How does it start? And if me go get prison sentence, me a prison sentence me will get. But me no walk and tell lie. If it not work, if this shenanigans not working, it does not working. You can't mix blood clot real life with me that's sitting cat. Nothing on the internet not real. Oh. Fucking forgot even blood clot charge. So the backlash I want to take me make it blood clot take me care about that. I don't give a fuck about that. I'm gonna do a sub my blood clot live. I'm gonna do a sub my blood clot live. Or me say bigger that me take bigger backlash. Me no care on what's right no conversation about me no. But me know me I can always stay true to myself. Me not lose my credibility by you for nothing. One of you understand blood clot that. One of someone not get it. Me not lose my credibility for nothing. Me have to come back. Me have to come look it. I say once a person can't trust you in a life, it don't make no sense. Them the people are lied. When all of the fame and the hype is over, I always have my accountability or credibility or whatever it want name. Who know me I talk about, know me I talk about. I want always have that. So the whole of them tell me, so I'm a bad man, I'm a this, I'm a that. Never see me flap yet. Me never flap yet. Me go through life right as it get pan ya. You understand what I say? Me not lose that. Me not sit down and pretend. Oh, we have blood clot go. Where? Me not lose my credibility pan ya. Me not losing it. Yeah. Tell me so we have fake it, make me know. So things that don't blood clot say. Tell me say you have fake it so we know so things that don't say. Like, yeah, Caan, I know so for Caan, I pick them and tell me, pick them say, yeah, them new stepfather. And you say, yeah, take it slow. And so no one want them for mascot. We don't so that we don't take big blood clot old girl like me say like a mascot. You gotta call me now and tell me if you tell my youth them say, you are them new stepfather. But you want to change the ball game for me, we have to agree to disagree. I don't care it's a dear, tear, nor wear. You know, don't get personal if you don't want. Don't get personal. You can't tell me nothing about no dear. I just what you say. I'm not run prank miss. I'm not hungry. I'm not falling star. Me's always the center of attention. Me's always a dancer at the blood clad party. Without me, the party can't keep. Me is the prize. And you know, I figure that out up to now. All of them when I say come round me and I'm just load them go on and can't and them get them 10 minutes worth of fame. And so when it done, I see them crumble 1-1 and 2-2 and see me here? Sometimes I look upon them. Me not do prank. Me use credibility and win. Me not do prank. Me use credibility and win. Cause I girl where they are foreign when I have it. I shall work 3 or 4 jobs. And she see me on the net and she willing to go recharge. I want 3 bills, I want 4 bills out of blood clot pocket and come give me a credibility me work with. A girl they are foreign and she not have it. And she hears me say, my internet bill want pay. She say, it's 100 like a pop. I want to book a ticket for that. Panama. And I want woman say me $300. I want woman say me $100. Me use credibility and win. Me not run prank. People tell me so them shoot for me off of them EBT card. A credibility me use and win. Me not run prank and me not run joke. Me a serious blood clot bitch. Cause me tell me baby father say me a fuck pan him, me a fuck pan him for true. Told me serious. And me gonna tell this about me. Me will catch feelings until me eye open. So me will say the say, talk the talk, and walk the walk to see where you depend. It's any day me acknowledge where you depend, cause me a feel you out. I always a test you. So any day me acknowledge where you depend, and the same energy you get. You see all one night I'm there and the bag of chatting. Make me find out where you depend. The hope a lovely story come out of me, it just gone. Because I'm find out where you depend. Never you show me your side when me don't want to see. Cause I'm gonna pick it out of you. I pick out every side out of Akeem. So I know exactly where I'm depend. So I'm never come here competent. You don't have sex diva and one bag of shoot already. Me more young and look good. Me can't stay by yourself. I remember say me a hot girl. And me know me can't tell 2 girl 2 stories. I remember me naturally funny. We don't want to use looks for run the market. Remember me naturally can sit down and make 2 girl laugh. Remember, I can go back to Heels Friday. I naturally can do good. I have to go back to cussing. I naturally can do perfectly fine over here. Go away. Now my blood clot lifetime, my man. Could I make you uno come trick me now not 20. This is 2025. Which boy can make a lot of so long I make trick me upon the blood clot net? Jokes a fuck pan me just find somebody else to fuck pan him. A lot of man out there. I mean I want a chance. For you have a shooter you would do just fine. Go and be fine. But all I want to now go take the me not make no take the crown off of my head. I mean, I make no one use me. Because me, the things that Akeem was different from others of people. But gets it, your only time when you get the highlight and the hype, I just want to take time and not change the color. But I change the color upon me. Because I not trust people. Oh. I mean, I go come and come bring you down. I mean, I see that make no sense. When you just go your ways and me go mines. Playing time done. Me not play game. Game time done. I will power no, me give blood clot. Don't, you can't change me every time I gotta do it, I'm finish. But me do it now. Me do it now. Playing time done. Yeah. My blood clot like you want. Like you want come fuck up my blood clot meds all the blood clot. Why? Where? Now sit down and pretend shit. You reach where you want blood clot reach now, so you can't throw back the big girl underneath the blood clot bus. You don't think when you can blood clot trick pan ya. Not blood clot me. Eh? So me change it there. It's so sure. Let them chat. Go ahead. I change it. You must not show. I change it. Rosealee pan the app. I change it. Follow me. Where? You don't have shoot already. I hope them stay. Cause if them never stitch up, if you never survive with them, the blood clot shoot out too long and them. I don't think you gonna survive with them blood clot now. Cause remember how no boring. Pale I know I can tell the boy can't treat me at my blood clot. You think me a mascot? And me a cuckoo? You think me a mascot and me a cuckoo and me a big fool and man idiot? Me a big woman. I know someone will come on the charm and tell pure blood clot lie. Me's a well experienced fuckies. I will boy I'm a fuck what tell me say them love me and would I never blood clot leave me. And to them, up to today, they have no blood clot there. So me like it till when me not like you no more. Cause the whole of you know a liar. The boy can't trick me. You could have buy all 50% they can't fucking blood clot trick me. Cause I'm a mascot. I'm an idiot. I love me first. Oh. Go and make your money, man. Go and make your blood clot money. Poor thing. I want the blood clot, but poor thing. Like someone on a blood clot sense. Take me a mascot. Take me a mascot. Me know when people are pretend tonight. Hey. Me know when people are pretend to be nice. From when people nice, you know. Me know when people are pretend to be nice. From when people nice. I mean I tell you say that little boys is very a pretender. Me know when people are pretend to be nice than when them nice. You see me over here long enough, you come here so the first. Remember the first Saturday I play with you, you come and you attack. I know me dead and I laugh cause I live with my blood clot man and the things them. So you know blood clot where my plan for being doing this. Anyway, you know you come all of a sudden me no give a fuck. Anyway, you know you come now you're there, you buy a present and you this and you that and you egg on the blood clot store. Me I say all in there egg on the store me I laugh cause I say look on them the people. I shouldn't fall for the bait. And that I shouldn't blood clot because me know. As when I say, I'm an experienced fucking so. I I know every trick and trade in the book. Every tricks and trade and matches boxing business, I know every blood clot. As I tell you before, I'm a gambler, so I'm afraid to lose shit. But I one thing, I not lose my credibility. But yeah. Me ungrateful. Or me if I'm ungrateful. Or me if you're ungrateful. And me pick up from nothing. Or me if you're ungrateful and me pick up from nothing. Or me if you're ungrateful and me pick up from nothing. Look a girl come suck me, huh? Or me go ungrateful and me pick up from you was nobody. And me make a kangaroo and take a picture. Or me if you're ungrateful. Or you not blood clot say. No, ungrateful first is you. Or me if you're ungrateful. You think me can't buy a rose? More the other fuck me for blood clot ungrateful. Or me for ungrateful. Ami was always a star here. Or me for ungrateful, Ami was always a star here. The only star here is me. But through someone who love man, and a thing say. Through someone who love man, and a thing say me on the same blood clot thing. To someone who love man like dog house and feel say pretty looks and bleach out and well tattoo can trick me in the blood clot long book of life. All the fuck me for blood clot ungrateful, I'm always blood clot there. All me for ungrateful. I me add you on a play, never you add me, is me add you on a play too much. I start bust off 2 lyrics. I never did intuit either from the get-go. Because I know man a user. I have seen that book all and read it. So the fuck you not tell me about ungrateful? Ungrateful your ass? If you do it entertainment, make me know. Me not have no problem. And I wish them well upon them journey. Series finish. Let me see when I play one.